Suppose you see a question that says, this. What is the value of x? You're finding the log of 64, the logarithm of 64, but the log is a base of 2. What is the value of x? Alright, let's see how you deal with this. My standard way of writing, first of all, you're going to probably, if you should rewrite this in index form, it would help. So you're going to write it in index form. My standard index form, when I get a type of question that look like this, is to say the log of 1000 is 3 when the base is 10. Right? Calculator, remember it. The log, common log of 1000 is 3. You see that? Then I say in index form 10 to the 3 is 1000. Good. Now back to this. Probably if you rewrite this in index form, well, same thing as in exponential form, alright? Then what you're going to get could help you, right? When I say index form, it means the same as exponential form. Just that I use different names. Now, in this case, I want to write this in exponential form or index form. Let me look at this. This is in logarithmic form. Here, I have logarithmic form. Over the right, I have index form. Now, in writing it in index form, the 10 is the base of the logs. In index, the 10 is the base of the index, meaning it is what you're raising to a power. Here, 2 is the base. So in index form, 2 is what you're going to raise to a power. Let's look back at this. Log 1000. 1000 is the number that you're logging. In index form, it is the answer. It says equal 1000. Here now, let's compare it, follow the same pattern. 64 is the number that you're logging. So in index form, it's supposed to be the answer. Alright. In log form, you say equal 3, so 3 is the answer. In index form, it's the index. Right? Here now, in log form, x is the power. No, x is the answer, x is the answer. In index form, x will be the power, the index. Good. So 2 raised to the power of x is 64. Then I say, x is telling you how many 2's you have to have that multiply together to give 64. How many 2's? Let me see something. You have 2 2's, you get 4. 3 2's, 2 2's, 4 4 2's, 8. You have 4 2's, you get 2 2's, 4 4. 2 2's, 4 4 2's, 8 8 2's, 16. This gives you 16 so far. Add another 2. 16 by 2 gives you 32. Alright. Add another 2. 32 by 2 gives 64. Ah, good. 1 2 3 4 5 6 2's. So here, 2 to the x equals 64 is 2 to the 6. So x must be 6. Ah, there it is. Solve it. X is equal to 6. You see that? Alright. Let's look at another example. I tell you that I have a logarithm and the base of the logarithm is 3. Remember, you know, the base 2 and the base 3 and so on, the calculator can help you. Because the calculator, well, the vast majority of calculators have only base E and base 10. Unless you have some special type of calculator that has other bases. Right? So it has base 3 and it has base 10. But it doesn't have base of 3. It doesn't have log with a base of 3. So the answer is 5. You're finding a logarithm of a number called the number x. The logarithm of that number, whatever the number is, the base is 3 and the answer is 5. What is that number? Alright. Now, probably, if we rewrite this thing in index form, we would get some amount of help. It could help us. Rewriting it in index form probably could help us. So let's do that. Now, here, over here, in log form, the base is 10. In index form, the base is 10. It's raised to a power. Here, the base is 3. In index form, the base should be 3. Now, we said log 1000 here, but in index form, you say equal 1000. We say log x here. In index form, you say equal x. In log form, the answer is 3. You say equal 3. In index form, 3 is the index. Here, in log form, the answer is 5. You say equal 5. In index form, the 5 in the index is the index. So here, remember the pattern. In log form, you say equal 3. In index form, 3 is the index. In log form, you say equal 5. In index form, 5 is the index. Alright, you say 3 to the 5. Okay, so what this is saying is that you have some trees lined out. And you have 5 of them and they all multiply each other. So you have 3, 3, 3. That's 3 so far. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And they all multiply one another. Let's see now. 3, 3 is 9. Alright, that's 9. 9, 3 is 27. 27 by 3 is 81. 81 by 3, let's see, 81 by 3, 3 ones, 3, 3 is 24. 243. So x is equal to 243. So that means if you find the log of 243 where the base is 3, then what you will get is 5. Alright? Let's look at another example of a problem where we deal with logarithms, but the base is not e and the base is not 10. Suppose you say the logarithm, you have a base, call the base x. The logarithm of that number is 625. No, not 625. The logarithm of 625 and then the answer is 4. Now what could the base be? You're finding the logarithm of 625 and you get an answer 4. What's the base of the log? Now, probably if we again rewrite this in index form, it could help us. So let's see how this goes. Here, the base of the log is 10. In index form, the base of the index is 10. It's the number you're raising to a power. If the base of the log is x, then in index form, you're raising it to a power. The number you're logging is 1000. In log form, the number you're logging is 1000. In index form, it's the answer. In log form, the number you're logging is 625. In index form, it is the answer. In log form, the answer is 3. In index form, it's the index. In log form, the answer is 4. It's in index form, it is the index. Alright, we have to think about it now. There are 4 numbers and they multiply each other and you get 625. Let's see. One number is here times the same number times the same number times the same number. 4 of them. Is it 2? 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2 16. No, it's not 2. Is it 3? Let's see. 3 3s 9, 9 3s 27, 27 3 81. No, it's not 3. Is it 4? Let's see. Yeah, 4 4s and they multiply. 4 4 16. 16 4 64. 64 by 4. 4 4 16. Put down the 6. It will end in 6. And this ends in 5. So it's not going to be 4. So we have to try again. Is it 5? 5 5s and they multiply. 5 5 25. 25 times 5 is 125. 125 by 5. 125 by 5. 5 5 25. Bring down the 5. Carry 2. 5 2s 10 and 2 12. Bring down the 2. Carry 1. 5 1 5 1 1 6. Right. It is 625. So x is equal to 5. So therefore, if you find the logarithm of 625 and the base is 5, you're going to get 4. In other words, 5 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 625.